Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Dimas Cahyo from Graphic Design 3A. So today, we're gonna learn about how to create wavy text in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started.
Okay, you need to open your Adobe Illustrator. In this video, I'm using Adobe Illustrator CC 2020, but you can use every version of Adobe Illustrator. Then create new artboard. Name your artboard Wavy Text. Then click Create. First thing we're gonna do is activate your Smart Guide. Click View. Then click Smart Guide in here. Then create background with this rectangle tool over here. Choose your colors. And create your background. And don't forget to lock the background layers. Click lock in here. Then click new layers. The next thing we're gonna do, just click on the type tool. Then I want to type on here Smart Wave. Don't forget to bring it to center. Click lines and lens to center. Then I'm going to type change case and uppercase. Let's choose the font whatever you want to use. I want to use Gotham Black. Yeah. Change fill to the outline on this text. Then choose your color. Okay. Next, I'm going to effect distort transform. Then transform. Don't forget to click preview in here. Make copies to 5. Then make the vertical bold. I think 100. Then click OK. Go ahead on object, envelope, distort, and make it wrap. Make sure the style is wave in here. Fill the blend to 15%. Then click OK. Expand the text object. Click object. Then expand. OK. Don't forget to ungroup all their text. Right click. Then ungroup. Last but not least, I wanted to fill the text with the colors. double click this text, then change to fill. So we did it. Thanks for all of you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, so we can learn and growing together. My name is Dimas Cahyo. See you later.